Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. Today we are making the authentic Ghana okra stew. Guys, just look at this. It's one of my favorite things to eat. Okay, it's so delicious. And this one has got the authentic Ghanaian flavor. Okay, the protein that I use give it that lovely flavor. I tell you, you are going to love it. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at this. It's so lovely and delicious. So come along with me and let's do this delicious meal. So guys, to start, I have my onions, my ginger, garlic, some Scotch bonnet, okay, and I add some spices to it. I'll put all of them in the description box for you, and I blend that nicely. Okay, I am using goat meat. As you know, yes, Ghanaians, we love goat meat. This is a proper goat meat with the skin on, so it is really flavorful. I've added my blended spices, okay, and now I'll just cover it and allow it to cook so that the spices will really go into the meat. Okay, I've added some salt to it, as you can see, so I cover it and allow it to cook. Right, so I'm adding more water into it because it takes a bit of time for the goat meat to be tender. So yes, still cooking the goat meat, all right, so that it's nicely tender. Okay, so it's really almost done. I'm going to add some protein to it. This is crab. I love this crab. It's really nice and juicy. Okay, so I add my crab to it, and I'm adding some tolo beef. I've done this on my channel, so if you want to know how to do it, how to make tolo beef, just check my channel. Okay, and I'm adding some cooked pig feet, salted pig feet as well. This type of meat gives your okra stew really delicious flavor, the authentic Ghanaian flavor. All right, let's fry our stew. Yes, I mean, this is salted fish, or we call it Koobi. All right, I've showed you how I do it. If you want, the recipe is on my channel as well. I'll link them all down in the description box. The Koobi gives the oil very authentic Ghanaian flavor. Okay, that's why I use it. I add my onions and I'll allow it to cook nicely to give that sweetness, and I'm adding some fermented fish, which is called momoni in Ghana. Okay, and then I'm adding the pepper, or the spice that I blended earlier, and also I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. This is optional, the chopped tomatoes, but I added to give it that sweetness. Okay, and allow this to cook nicely. Guys, our stew is done nicely. Okay, and I'm adding the protein into it. As you can see, I put everything into it, and I'm going to add the stock into it as well. The stock is perfect, it tastes amazing. And also lastly, I'm adding Wele. Okay, Wele is perfect for a Ghanaian okra stew. It gives it really lovely flavor. Yes guys, let's cook our okra. So I've already grated this okra, okay, and I am going to just cook it a little bit, add some bicarbonate of soda to it because I like it really slimy. All right, if you don't like it slimy, don't add it, but add it to it so that it will be yum. Guys, follow along. So guys, yes, scent naji baby, mackerel, it smells amazing. It's so flavorful, authentic Ghanaian flavors. I'm adding some smoked mackerel, grilled mackerel, can call it. If you want to know how to do this, it's on my channel. I'll link them all down in the description box for you. Okay, because most of this protein you should be able to do it yourself, right? They are all on my channel. Guys, it smells amazing. I tell you, the okra is done. I'm adding the okra to my stew. So guys, follow along. It smells amazing. So lastly, we are adding some chopped spinach. Yeah, I love putting spinach in my okra stew. It is really nice and flavorful, and also guys, makes it so quite healthy. This is a healthy meal that you can make for your family or friends. Guys, this is so good and so delicious. I can't wait to just tuck into it. It's lovely. So as you can see, this is all done. It doesn't take that long if you prepare it and then you get it done. And then I've already made, guys, listen, I've already made my oats fufu. Okay, yes, I love using oats fufu, but you can eat it with banku, or you can eat it with anything of your choice. Some people eat it with curry as well. So guys, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Okay, this is authentic Ghanaian flavors. And also guys, just share it, and I thank you for watching. Bye.